finding ourselves in a little concrete jungle.
Yeah, so this is all our concrete furniture. It comes in a range of shapes and sizes. We have it in stools, tables, desks, outdoor lounges.
So it's solid, it's heavy.
So it's actually got jute fibres inside, which means that it's not going to be as heavy as a complete real slab of concrete.
But certainly, I mean, I often need to find furniture for coastal areas or balconies where it has to be kind of weighty so it doesn't fly
I
up.
know.
So this will tick that box.
Yeah, it's very heavy still.
So many of my clients now are kind of moving away from overly decorative and wanting them more brutalist, pared back designs. So I think the table in that regard kind of fits right into that.
Yeah, so this is cutting edge design. The beauty of concrete is it's perfect with the elements, it's perfect near the sea, they're very robust.